want to do you know? New link on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. New link. Hotter.
Police took me down and a half blast them get them to me fi stop talk and they must smell me rum bread. Me have a rum girl, she ugly like Shrek. Me not drink the rum from a deer. Me look like the rum done from a deer. Don't be a mad I give them bun from a deer to me spin out the
Bless up my people, I don't know the thing, man. I don't know, so New Link there and from New Link production and we say attack. Well, people, I don't know, so that song there, you can go check it out on YouTube. You understand the artist goes by the name of J Money Flavor, people, and the title of the song name Rum. And that song there go hard on Akam Entertainment, hard on the artist channel. So remember, J Money, you understand, people, Flavor, Rum, check it out. Well, right now, New Link got in a theme topic now.
Focus. Like a camera. From when there, dog. You know, from 89 there. No, 2020. First me ever see them things still in the dog. Corona take over, get madam mean. So the place locked down, straight quarantine. This brother same bad. Him now go in and Jamaica couple call. Squaddy go for him. Me ever split me about feel like curfew so me can't go out tonight. Turn in a me house and hug me wife. Go take me 3 pints, me lovely life. Traveling ban, everything stagnant. Pick me in a house, can't go outside. Go around, mama can't post a letter. She can't buy a stamp. She get the pension, but she can't go a bank. Watch how you sneeze or you cough. Cause right now, nobody now laugh. You walk up, nobody taste that sauce. Touching at the street, now linger, do it fast. She nah ram. Corona nah ram. The virus has spread every day rampant. The death toll a rise every day constant. She nah ram. Corona nah ram. The death toll a rise every day constant. The virus has spread every day rampant. Erica shut down, nobody nah get paid. I wonder if the chopper them a chop same way. Social distance, some still nah obey. Them lock up Trevor the same one who did it. The virus in here, he don't mind. You better use up your sanitizer. Can't get no appetite from the appetizer. No one no kiss girl, keep your saliva. She nah ram. Corona nah ram. The virus has spread every day rampant. The death toll a rise every day constant. She nah ram. Focus. Camera.
Yeah, my people, you don't know. As me I tell you, this artist goes by the name of Focus, people, and not like, I love how the man deal with the thing with the corona thing, you understand, because a real thing the man is saying at the song, people, you know what I mean, and him have the little thing to it, the little style to it, and his voice is really good, so as an artist, so you will say, you know what, definitely is an artist, so we can go places, you understand, yeah man, Focus, you get me, I say, very talented artists, people, and the message is just real, you know what I mean? And in times like this, people, we need artists who can put out songs like them, who can spread the awareness of the COVID-19, because we are in a serious time now, no joke thing. So when you see an artist like this step forward, out time shell, and come and put out the music certain way and show a different side and talent we ain't got, you know what I mean? Because in a time like now, the people, and I know you know gun song, you know you know bad man song, you know you know dirty song, you know, but that's why you a real positive message, because right now we in a stage where we need positivity right now from all angles, whether they are Christian, whether they are demon, whether they are anybody. We need the positiveness right now. So that New Link preach, and that the message New Link send from the artist called Focus, people, and you can go check him out, check out him YouTube channel, you understand, check out everything about this artist, people, because this artist are good. And I'm going to leave a link below the video, so in the link below the video, you're going to see the song for Focus, and you're going to see the song for J Money Flavor with Rum. So the two songs them I got in the link, so you can click and just check out the two artists. Them can feature two artists on this thing, people. And you don't know the thing, it's a New Link, you know, and we say attack, and we say support the youth them in Jamaica, no matter what. You know what I mean? Please do that. And we as a people, thanks to the love, thanks to the support, thanks to everyone who subscribe, everyone who share, everyone who like the video. Them and fix the shirt New Link. I want to show them the shirt good. You know what I mean? You can get the New Link shirt, them on Teespring, the New Link hoodie them we got on Teespring right now, them bad with the New Link logo. So the one they want to represent for New Link. You get me? So we have the New Link tights them too. So the lady them who wants the New Link right on them leg, so we got them for no joke thing. So don't know anything of people, enough love and enough respect. Follow we on IG, New Link _ production official. Facebook, New Link production. I don't know anything of Twitter, New Link production. Peace out, respect, bless.